So for example number 3, we're going to compare similar solids with regard to cones. So here we have a small cone, and it has a radius of 3 and a total volume of 15 pi. And then over here we have a larger cone that has a radius of 9 feet. And we're asked to find out what the volume of this is. So what I want to do is I'm going to take the big cone, I'm going to find the one-dimensional scale factor over the small cone. Okay, and so the big cone has a radius of 9, and the small cone has a radius of 3. Now that reduces down to 3, so that's what we call the one-dimensional scale factor. Now what that means is I'm going to take this radius and multiply it by 3 to get this radius. However, we're dealing with a three-dimensional solid figure, so to get the 3D scale factor, I'm just going to take the 1D scale factor and cube it. Okay, so that would be 3 cubed, which is 27. So now to find the volume for the second cone, I need to take the volume of the small cone, which is 15, and then I need to multiply that by 27. And that will give me 405 pi. Oh, it's 15 pi. Yikes. It's not just 15, it's 15 times pi times 27, which will give me 405. 15 times 27 is 405, and then we tack on the pi. So the volume of that small cone is 405 pi. And that's basically it.